Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video today I'm going to quickly show you how to cancel Apple Fitness Plus after free trial. So we want to cancel your Apple Fitness Plus subscription. So once you've done with the free trial, so what you can simply do, it's pretty easy. So just open up your settings. So go to your settings. So once you've opened up your settings, just hit on your profile here, your Apple profile, your Apple ID. So just hit on your name, and this will open up your Apple ID details. So now what you're going to do, hit on subscriptions. So when you hit on subscriptions, this will show all your subscriptions that you have that are on your account. So now simply select the Apple Fitness Plus option. So I don't have Apple Fitness Plus on mine. I have not subscribed for it. So I have other ones here. So just select the Apple Fitness Plus, select it, and then you will see an option called cancel subscription. So simply click on cancel subscription, and it's going to ask you for a confirmation, and then just confirm it, and that's it. You will be done with the cancellation. So as I said, it's pretty easy and a straightforward process. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.